Hey filmmaker, Chung here. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove effects inside of Premiere Pro. So I've shown you guys how to add effects and also presets to your clips, but now how to actually remove them if you don't really want them. So here I have a clip with my clarity effect added which is made of multiple effects. However, if you want to delete all of them in one go, the quickest way is to do right mouse click on your clip, choose remove attributes. And here we can remove the effects. We can also turn off effects that we don't want. However, there is no choosing which of the effects, because even though there is 4 different effects, it seems to bunch them up all in one go. But also if you have like audio effects, you could also choose them to be turned off or on if you want to remove them or not remove them. First, we need to notice also that I have also changed the scale here. If I actually delete like this without changing any parameters, it will also delete the scale effect here. So it's now to 100% instead of 67%. But if we Control Z here now, just if we right mouse click here and choose remove attributes and we turn off this motion here, and now press OK, it would just only delete the effects and not affect the motion here. However, you might think, would this actually affect a text or a graphic here? So I'm going to right mouse click here, choose remove attributes, and you can see there is no graphics here. So there's no graphic to choose from. So that's why if you press OK here, it would not affect this text here. It would not remove this text. So you're pretty safe with like if you have like a text here and add any effects to it, and if you want to remove all the effects, just right mouse click and choose attributes. However, if you want to individually remove an effect, we can go to your effects control and just select it and then press delete on your keyboard. And if you want to select multiple effects, you can hold down Command or Control and then select multiple effects and then also delete on your keyboard. So I hope you guys found this a very useful video. If you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.